G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Hyundai i30 hatchback we have here. This one is active. You got projector headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels with Kumho tyres, and down through the side it's in great condition. Being a local vehicle owned by the local council down here, you've got floor mats fitted inside, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. You've also got the satellite navigation as well, cruise control, standard. Coming around to the back, you got your rear parking sensors, plenty of room to the back, full-size spare underneath there as well. Coming down to the side, it's in very clean order. And jumping inside the vehicle, as you can see, it's only travelled 68,000 Ks. You've got your cruise control, audio controls through here, your air conditioning as well, Tiptronic auto, and you've got your power sockets down there as well. Centre armrest, which is nicely trimmed, and you've got your nav unit as well.